Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the United States national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner. You've probably heard this song played at sporting events, official ceremonies, and even Olympic Games. But do you know the history behind it and what its words truly mean? Let's dive into the fascinating story of America's national anthem. The Star-Spangled Banner was written during the War of 1812, a conflict between the United States and Great Britain. In September 1814, British forces attacked Fort McHenry in Baltimore. A young lawyer and poet named Francis Scott Key was on a British ship negotiating the release of an American prisoner when he witnessed the intense battle. Throughout the night, bombs exploded in the sky, and he was unsure whether the fort had survived. At dawn, as the smoke cleared, Key saw the American flag still waving above the fort. Inspired by this powerful sight, he wrote a poem describing the moment. The poem was later set to the melody of a popular British song and officially became the U.S. national anthem in 1931. The lyrics of the Star-Spangled Banner describe the battle and the resilience of the American forces. The famous opening line, "Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light," refers to Key looking for the flag in the early morning. The phrase, "the rocket's red glare," the bombs bursting in air, describes the explosions during the battle, while gave proof through the night that our flag was still there, expresses his relief in seeing that America had not been defeated. Though the anthem has multiple verses, only the first verse is commonly sung. Its powerful words remind Americans of their country's endurance, bravery, and freedom. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the history behind the Star-Spangled Banner and the meaning of its powerful lyrics. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.